So we are here at Death Valley. We just arrived and it's already 6:30, super pooped. And so the quick dinner I have for such days is simple quesadillas. Tortillas, cheese, and I like to put peppers, onions, some meat. Usually we get, just before we leave, we get like a rotisserie chicken, and so I get some piece of the rotisserie chicken that we have for dinner and take it with us to have a little bit of protein with us. Let's turn on, I would say medium. Like I'll start with 4. I use my griddle here. I can do 2 tortillas at the same time, which is like super easy because they perfectly fit in this cast iron griddle. Okay, and I'm using kind of a smaller stack of tortillas.
Can't wait, it's gonna be awesome.
It took us 5 hours to get here on the off-road trail. Only 50 miles, 5 hours. Okay, on one half, let's spread the veggies, bell peppers, onions, I know, whatever you have. Like, you know, if you have jalapeno, it'll be good.
Oh, what was it? What was it? Freezing? Jalapeno? Jalapeno.
Jalapeno. Try too far. Australian.
Yeah.
Jalapeno. Okay. Cheese starts melting. Let me turn it off a little bit. We don't want to really scorch these. I'll put this here. And as cheese starts to melt, you want to kind of put it over. Turn it around. And around, let it melt. And you cannot miss Corona or Coronita. Perfect size to fit into a cooler.
It's 110. Must stay hydrated.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And one thing that we can make it a little bit more spicy is to use some chili peppers, which I forgot to put in the first one. So we have pepper flakes. Let's just put a little bit of pepper flakes here. Look, that'll be really spicy. Okay. Turn it around. Perfect. And around. Then we can turn this off for beautiful quesadillas. Okie dinner's ready.
Yeah, can I kill the AC?
Yes.
You used 180 watt hours of power.
180?
Yep.
180 watt hours. To cook 4 quesadillas.
Do you want another beer?
I think I would take another beer.
You would?
Mm-hmm.
I will cut it for you.
Okay.
Thunderbolt Adventure Supply has a bottle opener from the end of their kitchen right here.
Some lime.
There you go. 1 coronita.
Yeah. There you go. And guacamole.
You mean I get a personal guac cup?
Uh-huh.
Could not be better.
Oh, oh my goodness.
Oh.
Mm.
Cheers.
Cheers. So we just finished our dinner. There is a beautiful hot tub, hot spring right there. And it's 90 degrees.
Oh, more.
And we need some cocktail, hot, cold drink cocktail. And for my birthday, I got this book, Camp Cocktails. And what we are going to do today is maple syrup old fashioned. So, ingredients. We have maple syrup, Angostura bites, and then rye whiskey. We have original bottle at home, but I just, for convenience of the camping, I just poured it to this little bottle. And then orange peel for extra flavor and little orange coins for garnish.
It's like dried?
It's dried, yes.
Oh, cool. And you've got cool cocktail glasses.
And we got amazing cocktail cups. Clean canteen insulated, which is super important here. It's like, what, 95?
And how are you going to keep it cold?
With ice. So the recipe says half teaspoon maple syrup or more to taste. And they say stir maple syrup, bitters, and whiskey together in your cup. So for whiskey, they want 2 ounces of whiskey. Be 1 ounce. 1 ounce. Okay. Then 2 dashes of bitters. 1, 2. And they say maple syrup, half teaspoon or more. Do you want a half teaspoon?
Yeah, make it the way the recipe says.
There. Stir it. Okay. And then for orange, they say cut the orange peel to like spray that orange.
I think that's exactly what you do. You just kind of squeeze it.
Ah, there you go. Piece or 2 of ice to your cocktail. So, we are so bougie that in addition to our cooler, we also brought another cooler that is set to a freezing temperatures. So, let's see. We brought these, which are perfectly... Do you want the bowl?
Oh, yeah. There you go. Oh, look at that!
Let's cover it, insulate it. Oh, and put the garnish in. Let's put the garnish in.
Right.
Doesn't fit really with the bowl.
We'll jam it in.
There, okay. Let's do this one. There you go. There it is. It's in. Let's put garnish. A little bit smaller garnish. Okay. Cover. And voila. Cocktails are ready. Let's go to the hot tub.
Let's do it.